Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix error code 268 in Roblox. So one of the ways to fix that problem is by clicking the right mouse at the right mouse on the Roblox app. And basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna see like a window opening up for you. Just go ahead and open the file location. In the file location, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead, or you can just go ahead into finding the app like this Roblox, and just go ahead to the properties. And what you're gonna do to the properties, you're gonna just go ahead into compatibility, and you're gonna just run this window on the lowest version, which is the Windows 7, and then run this program as an administrator and just hit OK. The second way to fix that problem is by clicking that troubleshoot thing, and then follow the instructions of fixing that problem, right? The last option, what you're gonna do, if that didn't work out for you, you can just go back right here and just go ahead to your apps and feature, and you can just type it right here and type here to search at the below left corner, and then go ahead to the apps, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna select the Roblox app and then hit uninstall next to the app, and basically that's it. And let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.